Hey guys, it's me Donald Moica and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove titles from the continue watching row on Netflix for PC and mobile through your profile settings. First, let me explain what the Netflix continue watching feature is and why it exists. Continue watching is a row on Netflix that displays everything you've started but haven't finished watching. This includes partially watched movies or the next episode of a TV show. It is designed to allow you to pick up where you left off with your entertainment quickly and easily. Only content that has been watched on your profile will be displayed in the row. This implies that your family's half-watched movies will not appear on your continue watching row. When you finish watching something on Netflix, it should automatically remove itself from the continue watching row. However, if you exit too soon, Netflix may assume there is still time to watch. If this happens frequently, make sure you keep watching until Netflix lowers the content and starts suggesting something else or counting down till the next episode. On desktop, click the menu in the top right. Then select Settings. Then click Account Details. After that, you will be redirected to this page in your browser. Under the Profile and Parental Controls, select your profile name. Next to Viewing Activity, select View. From here, find what you want to remove on the list and select the No Entry icon. If you removed a TV episode, you could then select Hide Series if you wanted to remove the whole series. And that's how you remove titles from the continue watching row on Netflix for PC and mobile through your profile settings. That's all for this video. Until next time.
These guys have a different